I think there is no rules in photography for anyone nowadays. I think the good picture, if you look at it and you come back, or you look at it more than for a few seconds. So today was fantastic. With Wi-Fi tethering in IQ4, I was able to move around so fast and just not to be restricted to my digitech as I always am, with few meters that I can move in and out. And I can just, in location, I can just change the angles, going up and down, just be as mobile as possible. It's a really fantastic tool. I think with this kind of quality that phaseone gives me, it opens up so many possibilities. So I can shoot like a regular portrait, but if I can see that there is something just in the skin and expression that I love, I can zoom in and crop in so much, and the image still looks fantastic.